Bedroom floor. I feel sorry for my man, cool guy. Does he know what he's told to do? We're like turn up, fest to the fest. Still turning up block. For the block, big moves, big Rolex, big just come man. So what? My wrist froze, eyes blocked.
You see the traffic lights? This is Nairobi town. Nairobi city. Have you ever been to Nairobi city? Which city have you visited? Mombasa. Yeah, you are in Mombasa. Today we are skating in Nairobi city. And these are the traffic.
Green, very nice.
And very nice until it turns green. That's nice. There are two.
Yes, that one.
There is that one and the other one at the other side.
Is there?
Yeah. Charlene, what are you doing? Green, we go. Yeah. So if you have been wondering where you're going to skate in Nairobi, now this is the right video for you. I'm going to give you all the information regarding where you can skate, amount, or that is the price, and where you can, if you don't have the skates, I'm going to show you everything. If you can rent skates here or you can buy, if they have trainers, and if you have a child or maybe you just want to learn to skate or just come and skate, here is the place to be. We are in Nairobi town and this place is Artist Walk, and as you see around you can see it is just opposite KICC. Yeah, nikaigira mogithini. Olivia.
Wamepata uwanja kubwa bwana. Niambia nataka skateboard.
Nataka pia skateboard.
Sianaiananga huko kwa floor.
And so the little sister now wants to skate and she can. So Olivia holds her hand and she thinks now she's skating. How lovely is this? I loved this. Yeah, she's so skating.
Come in at night, let's spark a light and see where it leads. Just you and me, hiding behind the curtain.
Hey, Sasa. Hi. What is your name?
My name is Maina.
Yes.
Skating is what I do.
Okay.
I do it like for fitness purposes, for fun, entertainment. This is my sport.
Okay. So are you a trainer?
Yeah, I'm a trainer.
Okay. Where do you train? Only here at this park?
No, we do private session and public sessions. We also offer session in schools.
Yes.
In schools, yeah. Birthday parties, fun days. There's a lot to offer, yeah.
Okay, so I saw that you come here. How much is it to skate here? If you are a beginner and you don't know anything about skating and you want to know how much do you charge?
Okay, our normal rates is 300.
300 for how long?
A session of 1 hour.
1 hour.
Yeah.
What if I know to skate? I just want to come and use this place. Am I charged?
No, you're not charged.
Or you
Not
just come with your skate and my skates and start skating?
Yeah, you come with the skates. But if you need a guide, that's when you can maybe you agree on the amount.
Oh, that's when you agree on amount.
Yeah.
And you pay. Okay. What if I don't have skates? Do you have skates for renting or for if I want to buy or something?
Yeah, we do have skates for rent,
Okay.
for rental. And if you want to own your own, you can. We do sell. Yeah, we do sell.
Okay, and how much?
Okay, skates.
What's the range? Maybe the lowest price and the highest price that one can expect.
For rental or buying?
Buying.
Okay, it depends with size, but mostly, let's say, most skates are around from 45 to 65, depending on the size of the wheel.
Okay.
And the purpose of that skate, yeah.
Are they brand new or they're the XK ones? The skates?
The skates are not brand new, but they are not used. XUK?
They are actually good in shape.
Yeah, they are in good in shape. They are not overused. Though they are used, we prefer XUK because that's the quality that can serve us in Africa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. So if I want to train and I don't want to come here, do you have private sessions or something?
Yeah, what we do in private session, you might come at our place.
Okay. And
Or-
where? Where is it?
In Langata.
It is in Langata?
Yeah.
Okay, you will also give me your number. I will link it in the video so that if anyone wants to come and skate, they can call you to know more about it and the charges and where they can find you. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you for all that information and tell people to subscribe. This is Chick's Travels.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm back to business.
Thank you. I was interviewing one of the trainers here and he just got busy. A client arrived. So these are the skates that he sells. They are in good shape, they're in good quality. So if you come here and you don't have skates for yourself or for your kids, you can just buy or rent them. And I've also linked his number if you want more information about skating. you can just call him and find out more. One thing I like about this park is because of the space. It is so wide and kids can have a big area to practice, and it is also quite a challenge to our daughter who is used to skating at a smaller area in Garden City. So the field at Garden City is quite smaller, and I did a video where I skated for the first time ever in my life. I will link the video. Make sure you go and watch it and watch me skating there. So guys, I love this area, and as we end this video, come along and have a tour of Nairobi City as we head home. So it has been a good day. We had fun, and we're now going home. Yes.
We're going supermarket.
Oh, we're going to supermarket to buy what? What do you want us to buy? Goodies.
Yes.
What do you want for yourself? Exactly.
Everything.
Like? Everything like?
Like biscuits.
Biscuits, what else?
And like gomba.
You want gomba from supermarket? What else?
Daddy, natakuja. Daddy will come and take sweets.
Oh, Daddy, what do you want, Daddy, from supermarkets?
Mommy, I just wanted water.
Olivia says that you're going to buy sweets, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
Me, I will buy popcorns, crepes.
Okay. So guys, let me show you Nairobi City as we go home. As we head home. Yup.
I'm in a night. Let's spark.